Hello everyone, Vanakkam. Once again warm welcome you all. This video is for beginners who never used the MetaTrader platform. Before moving to the video, please subscribe this channel and click the bell icon. It will notify you from the upcoming videos. If the background noise is high, please kindly forgive me. Okay. This is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe it. Let's go to the chart. Okay. Just if you get my indicator, just go to the file menu here. It's alright. Click the file. Then click the open data folder. Wait a minute. Then click the Mt4 file. Then go to the indicators. Here you can paste my indicators through here, right? Let's go to the indicators. Where you get my indicators means just click that Telegram link. That Telegram link given in the descriptions below. Okay, you can click that link and join my Telegram channel. Okay, this is my Telegram channel. Here I posted my indicators. This is a trial and I mean this is a sample version alone. Don't use it for real money. Okay, just given for a sample one. Okay, don't bother about this. This is the real one. Okay, just for the sample indicator. Okay, just click that. Once you download it, just click this right button, show in folder. So where it downloaded, it will directly visible that folder. Okay, show in folder. Here it's downloaded. I saved it from here. So I go to that file. I copied those files. Go to that. I copy this file. Then go to the MetaTrader platform. Here you can paste from here. Okay, this is the area from my indicators will be shown. Okay, how you paste from here means just click the file menu, open data folder, click that open data folder. Already we are open, right? Once again I will show you. Click the file, open data folder here, right? Wait a minute. Then click the Mt4 file. Then click the indicators folder here. Here you can paste my indicators. Okay, I already copied my indicators, right? Here I copied, right? Here I can paste from. Okay, I can paste from here. It's saved successfully. Click this in folder. Then I go to this tab. Go to this folder. Click first document file. Here you can get my license key, right? This is the license key. You can paste it from through the indicators. Okay, this is the trial version. I mentioned clearly. This is a trial version alone. Don't use it on real account. Okay, this indicator working for all the pairs and also working for all the account type. Okay. From the account type means it's a real and a demo account. Both the accounts should be working. Okay. My recommended pair will be Euro USD. This is my Telegram channel link. I posted here. Click that link and paste it to the Chrome or any of the websites. Here, this is my Telegram channel. Click that open Telegram desktop. It will directly goes to the Telegram. Okay, here you can join. Okay, and also I posted the discussion group link from here itself. Just scroll up. Here I given right. Start is the discussion. Click the discussion group link and join this group here also. Here you can ask me from any queries. Okay. Let's move to the chart. Click this license key. Before copying this link, just copy this link. Okay, don't copy some spaces between them. Okay, just copy from this link. Right click, then copy. Go to the file. Metatrader platform. Here you can not visible right. I already pasted but not visible right from the Arca Monster indicators. Just click any of the files or here to right click the right click button, refresh it. Now you will notify right. You can able to visible right. Then click that link. Click these versions, indicators. I will show you right now. Else you can pick these indicators to drop to the main chart window. Okay, just click there and drop it to the chart window. You can change any template from your setup. Okay, as your wish. Okay, here I mentioned clearly Arca Monster trial versions alone. Okay, click the allow DLL inputs file. Okay, this is the tab. Okay, click this mouse button, then go to the inputs. Here you can paste the license key, what I mentioned before, right? Here this is the document I mentioned, right? License key, just copy this license key and paste it from here. Without license key it will not load up. Once again I'll show you. Without license key it will notify you, please enter correct license key, else ask to the vendor. If this license key, if the expiry date is invalid means, if the expiry date is ended means, you can ask me directly. I will give you the license key further. Okay, drop this indicator to the main window. From the license key windows, I pasted the license keys here. Just click the true for the audible alerts and push notifications also. Click the also true. Then you can change the colors as your wish. From your wish, you can change any colors from your wishes, red or black, anything you would say. Click this link, drop window, change any color from your wishes. I reset that. Now I click the OK button. Now it will be loaded successfully. My recommended, you can use it for 1 minute, so I change the time frame for 1 minute. Here is the indicators shown, right? I think you are able to use it, right? Here I will notify you. Here, right? This is the current candle, but don't trust for the 100%. I will give the current candle for sure indicators from the upcoming videos. Okay, this is for trial versions. Okay, just you can check it out. Okay, this is indicators. Okay, I think you are able to visible, right? Here too. This is one of my strategies. Okay, here, right? In the upcoming videos I will post at my from these indicators how it will be working. From these videos for the beginners who never used from this metatrader platform. Okay, this is the current candle will be running. Okay. I think it's overall. I think I will show you for how it will be working and how this metatrader platform will be work. Okay, how to pick the charts from the indicators file menu. I think I discussed it properly. You can change the time frame as your wishes. From this indicator, from this particular indicator, I give this trial for all the pairs. Euro USD pair also, GBP USD pair also it will be working. USD JPY pair also it will be working. Right? Click this AUD USD market watch pairs. Hold this AUD USD and drop it to the main windows. It will directly change the currency pair. Okay, here it will be notify you. I will show you from all the indicators the current candle only. This is the current candle. This is also current candle. Right? I think it's overall. Indeed, I think it's over, right? Okay. In upcoming days, I will show you my all strategies to this particular channel. I mean, RK strategy channel. So don't miss it. Okay. Thanks for watching these videos. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on Telegram directly. I can help you. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye all.